Today we will be making some steaks. I chose the porterhouse cut, and this is what we'll be using. Not much of any of this, just a little bit, because I want the meat to really shine. And basically, here's the meat. Look at how beautiful it is. Like, oh, they gave me such a perfect cut. But yeah, so drizzle some olive oil real quick. Massage your meats, you know, just beautiful cut. I'll blend these off camera. Teaspoon of each, that's it. This is why I meant we're not using much. So half a teaspoon on the first side, we'll flip it and season the other side the same amount. The same half. Anything about that. I don't want like, no, we'll let it stay. I usually like my steak to stay for aged, so just a little bit, like, I don't know, a day or two in the fridge. That's it. Don't really need that much salt. I'm trying to watch how much salt I take nowadays. And just a little bit. I'm not gonna do too much. You see, not much, because you need the steak to definitely shine through. Anyway, I'll massage it off camera and we'll be back. So with this recipe, you can definitely like pan to grill or even on the barbie. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do yet, but as long as it's time to age, let the flavor sit in there. And yeah, very simple recipe, but it comes up fire, and you can have it with a mushroom sauce or anything else. By the time I release this, the mushroom sauce one will be up, so yeah, even chimichurri sauce. So basically at this stage I removed mine because I like it pink, while I left one of them to stay longer, and it'll be with the rice. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.